Hi kids, good morning. Are you happy today? Great. Today I want to make a craft part of body. I have prepared a glue, printed part of body like head, body part, 2 hands, 2 legs, and 2 feet. Okay, the last I already prepared ice cream stick. Are you excited today, kids? You already prepare everything? Let's start. First, I take head and put the glue at the back. Like this, and let's stick it. Okay, next I take body part, same like before, put it the glue and stick it here. Do the same for 2 hands. Put it the glue. Kids, you must stick one by one, yeah, for hands. Okay, next I take 2 legs, put it the glue at the back, same like before. And the last we have 2 feet. Give the glue and stick it here. The last, I take ice cream stick and put here. So we have puppet. Ta-ta! Yay! Okay, thank you kids for today. You already follow my class and we can see you again in the next tutorial. Bye-bye!